Do you ever wonder what zodiac sign is your turn off? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to tell you just that. It's time for us to work together and figure out how compatible you are with the people around you. Let's start with a classic example that everybody knows. Make sure you stay until the end because you may be surprised. Aries. Aries are turned off by people who lack ambition and initiative. Aries are turned off by people who lack ambition and initiative. They don't like to be around lazy people because they know that they will never get anything done and they're too busy watching TV all day long. That's why Aries go out of their way to find the most ambitious friends possible because it motivates them to keep striving for more in life. Taurus. Tauruses are turned off by people who don't take care of themselves. Tauruses are the most down-to-earth and practical of all zodiac signs. They can't stand people who don't take care of themselves, which is why they're turned off by slobs who never shower or brush their teeth. These folks aren't worth Taurus's time, so it's best to just steer clear. The reason behind this is because Tauruses know that if you want to make the world a better place for everyone else, you need to start with yourself first. It takes a lot out of them when they see those around them not giving back as much as they should in life for whatever reason. Gemini. Geminis are turned off by being bored. If you're a Gemini, you know that you can get really turned off by someone if they bore you. You need stimulation and variety in your life, and being stuck with someone who can't provide that is just not going to work for you. You'll be looking for ways to escape from that situation, and fast. Geminis are also turned off by people who lack intelligence, conversation skills, and creativity. Cancer. Cancer is turned off by people that have a dark side and split personalities. Do you have a dark side? If you're a Cancer, the answer is probably no. People that have a split personality or are just generally dark and depressing turn Cancer off. They want someone that is positive and upbeat, someone they can rely on to be happy and supportive. If you're not that person, don't despair. There are plenty of other signs out there for you to find love with. Just be aware that Cancer isn't going to be the one for you. Leo. Leos are turned off by clinginess and jealousy. Leos are some of the most confident and social people in the zodiac. They love being around others, and they hate feeling clingy or jealous. If you want to date a Leo, it's important to be independent and secure in yourself. Leos don't respond well to jealousy or neediness, so make sure you're always your own person. Be supportive and loving, but never suffocating or demanding. Let your Leo partner shine in their own unique way, and you'll have a relationship that's both exciting and fulfilling. It takes a lot out of someone when they see those around them not giving back as much as they should be in life for whatever reason. You may also find that people who lack intelligence, conversation skills, and creativity turn you off. The last thing either of you needs is to be stuck in a relationship with boredom. Virgo. Virgos are turned off by people that are too paranoid and over-analytical. Are you a Virgo? If so, you're probably turned off by people who are too paranoid and over-analytical. Virgos like to take things at face value and doesn't appreciate it when someone is always questioning everything. Instead, they prefer to live their lives quietly and without drama. If you're dating or trying to attract a Virgo, it's important to keep this in mind. Be honest and upfront with them and avoid being overly critical or suspicious. They'll appreciate your sincerity and will be more likely to want to spend time with you. Libra. Libras are turned off by laziness. If you're trying to attract a Libra, don't be lazy. Libras are turned off by laziness and they appreciate people who take initiative and are energetic. So if you want to impress a Libra, show them that you're not someone who is just going to sit around and do nothing. Get up and get moving. Your Libra will definitely appreciate it. Libras are outgoing and social people who enjoy being around others. Libras have a natural ability to make friends with just about anyone, which is why they're so popular. They also have an easygoing personality that makes them seem like the most trustworthy person you'll ever meet. Libras may be shy at first, but after getting to know someone, they feel comfortable enough to open up and share their thoughts and feelings freely, which can sometimes lead to some pretty deep conversations. Scorpio. Scorpios dislike people who cheated them and are disloyal. If you've ever cheated a Scorpio or been disloyal in any way, you're likely to have felt their wrath. Scorpios have a zero-tolerance policy for those who violate their trust. They are some of the most passionate and loyal people out there, and they will not hesitate to cut ties with anyone who betrays them. So if you're lucky enough to have a Scorpion as your friend, lover, or family member, be sure to treat them with respect. They may forgive you once, but they won't forget it if you betray them again. Forgiveness is a difficult thing to do sometimes because it can be hard to forget what happened and move on with life. But for those who are strong enough to find the strength inside themselves, there is no better feeling than letting go of their anger and resentment towards others. No matter how much it hurts now, forgiving someone will allow them true freedom from whatever pain they have caused us in the past. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is turned off by someone who is closed-minded and stubborn. Have you ever met someone who is so stubborn that they refuse to see your side of the argument? The Sagittarius hates these types of people. They are closed-minded and think everyone should be like them, but this is not true at all. A good debate can be healthy, but it only works when both parties are willing to listen or compromise in order to get a solution that will work for both. It's best to avoid these confrontations with an individual who has already made up their mind about what they believe in, because it will always end badly. Instead, find someone who is open-minded and willing to learn something new. You'll have more fun debating ideas with them anyway. Capricorn. Capricorns are turned off by someone who is unreliable and lacks commitment. Capricorns are turned off by someone who is unreliable and lacks commitment because they want a person who will support them through thick and thin, always being there for them when they need help the most. The Capricorn appreciates loyalty from others, so if you can't commit, then move on from this insecure pairing before your heart breaks any further. Aquarius. Aquarians are turned off by people who are too conventional and boring. If you're an Aquarius and you're tired of individuals who are too conventional and uninteresting, then perhaps you'd want to explore people with a few unusual quirks. You like to be around interesting, exciting people who challenge you mentally and emotionally. You're always looking for new experiences and ideas, so someone who is stuck in their ways isn't going to appeal to you. You're also a very independent person, so you don't need anyone to tell you what to do or how to live your life. You make your own rules and follow your own path in life. Pisces. Pisces are turned off by people who are shallow and only care about looks. If you're a Pisces, you know that you can't stand people who are shallow and only care about looks. You want someone who is kind-hearted, intelligent, and has a good sense of humor. And if they happen to be attractive, that's an added bonus. So if you're looking for a date or just a friend, make sure you come across as someone who is down-to-earth and genuine. Otherwise, Pisces will quickly lose interest. So, there are the zodiac signs and their turnoffs. Keep this information in mind when you're trying to attract someone or just trying to get along with someone. It can be helpful to know what turns someone else off so you can avoid doing those things. Don't be shy. Be straightforward and honest with your opinions, feelings, etc. If someone doesn't like it, then they can simply move on. There are plenty of other people out there who will appreciate you for who you are. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Check out this video, Zodiac Signs That Get Along the Best. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.